Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the listening activity in page number 10 of your English book. Okay? I am going to read the passage for you. Listen to the passage carefully and answer the questions. Okay? Shall we start? Why do birds sing? You might assume that birds sing because they are happy. While birds might be happy, they sing in order to communicate. One reason they sing is to stake a claim on territory. Birds sing to warn other birds to stay off their property. For example, a robin might stake a claim on a piece of land which measures about 200 feet wide by 200 feet long. This amount of land provides enough worms for the robin to feed its family. A bird maintains singing perches around the outside edges of its territory. The perches are high in the trees, so other birds can see and hear it. Birds also sing to find a mate. The length and complexity of the mating song gives information about the fitness of the bird. Healthy birds can sing longer, more complicated songs. Birds call to one another in short vocalization in order to warn of danger and to locate one another. Birds sing instinctively. Young birds learn to perfect their songs by listening to adult birds and interacting with other birds. Birds in a local area might learn variation in the basic song, which help them recognize other members of their group. Now, shall we answer the questions? First question. Why do birds sing? Option A. To locate one another. Option B. To warn other birds. Option C. To find a mate. Option D. All of the above. Second question. Birds perch very high so that Option A. Other birds can hear them. Option B. Other birds can see them. Option C. They can hide there. Option D. Both A and B are correct. Third question. The health of a bird can be determined. Option A. By the length of its song. Option B. By the complexity of its song. Option C. By the volume of its song. Option D. Both A and B are correct. Fourth question. Shorter bird vocalizations are Option A. Territorial songs. Option B. Mating songs. Option C. Warnings. Option D. None of the above. Fifth question. Young birds perfect their songs by Option A. Natural instinct. Option B. Listening and interaction. Option C. Practice. Option D. Both B and C are correct. Sixth question. Fitness is Option A. Health. Option B. Danger. Option C. A song. Option D. A warning. Seventh question. How do variations in the basic song help the birds? Option A. Recognize other members. Option B. Maintain health. Option C. Increase the length of their song. Option D. Communicate with one another. Hope you have marked the right answers. If not, listen to the passage once again. Thank you, students.